All right, y'all. The other one was getting kind of long, so I had to come over to this one. Let's study this one. Let's make this cloud school, shall we? Cloud school. Tell me what you see. There's no other clouds anywhere, except for the wings ones, the winged ones, and that one. Where'd he go? There he is. Father God, I ask that you bless twice everyone who sees this. Good things. In Yahushua HaMashiach's name. Oh, what's that? An arrow! An arrow of the Lord. No, it's not the government. You realize how fast the wings would break off. It's not the government. Government means mind control. Don't let your mind be controlled by the government. More than a cloud, more than a cloud. Looks like a portal to me. We've been doing this how long, you guys? Long time. We know portals when we see them. Where'd it go, Papa? There it is. He tried to escape. There he is. Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. Worthy to be praised. Worthy to be praised. Father God, please bless whatever's inside in there. Bless that whole cloud right there. Have it know that someone blessed him. In Yahushua HaMashiach's name, good things. Twice, Papa. Bless him twice. You're creator of all things. You created that. That's a blessing. And so, bless everyone on that cloud. And that's the skill of being a good sky watcher. Bless the clouds. They can hear you. They can see you. Bless those people in there. That is definitely a vortex time machine. But it's something. Don't you see the things going on right there? Holy, holy, holy is the Lamb. Worthy to be praised. All the devil can do is roar. You say who? Jesus Christ is the Christ. He is the Lamb, the Word. That's it. His dog Elroy. Look at that thing. That's pretty cool. I see a guy driving it. Right there. There's a guy driving that thing. Jesus! He heard me. He's way up there. And there's no other clouds except the wings. And the portal. Ran a spotter. The spy plane. They sent a spy plane. Bless that guy. Thank you for blessing that guy in there, Papa. Way cool. That's a ship. Those are wings. And the rest of the sky's blue, pretty blue, except for that. It's the eye of Horus. It's a dragonite. No, it's a fisheye. It is. I still think it's a portal. I mean, look at that thing. It's just, what's it doing there? And I see a guy driving it. It's a speedboat. It's a Skye Boat. Oh, that song. Skye Boat. Does anybody know that song? That's a way nice song. Really cool song. Skye Boat. It's a Skye Boat. Definite Skye Boat. We should give this one to Liz Ireland. Yeah, Skye Boat. Way cool, Father. Thank you, Abba. Who said Christmas song? We three kings of Orient are, bearing gifts we traverse afar, field and fountain, moor and mountain, following yonder star. star of wonder, star of night. I wonder if these guys are following the star. Star of royal beauty bright, westward leading, still proceeding, guide us thy perfect light. Born a king on Bethlehem's plain, gold and myrrh to crown him a king, king forever, ceasing never, over us all to reign. That's something, you guys. Sky Watchers!